Hi everyone, I am Qusay Al-taai². I'm from University of Glasgow, a postdoc working with high frequency electronic group. I'm going to present my poster entitled of Towards an Excitable Microwave Spike Generator for Future Neuromorphic Computing. In summary, this poster describes the systematic approach to develop low power consumption excitable resonant neuromorphic spike generators using nano-size RTD, including fabrication, characterization, device modeling, and spike circuit simulations. In terms of the design and fabrication, the API structure for this device includes from a double barrier quantum well with 5.7 nanometer quantum well sandwiched by aluminum arsenide barriers. And the fabrication process consists of transferring the patterns from the E-beam technology to form the first mesa with titanium, palladium, gold metals, and then the bottom contact applied. After that, the passivation process with the BCB and HBAC to open the contact, finalized with the bond pad evaporated. Then two different measurement setups has been used in this work. The first one is for DC characterization and self-oscillation frequency for the device, and the other one for the spike generating oscillations. The DC characterization, there are three different size devices, 500, 700, 800 nanometers, and the IV curves was very smooth for the nano devices. These devices shows very low current that will be very useful for the neuromorphic systems. S parameters has been measured also to get the modeling for the device, and the spike of these devices as shown here, and also from the modeling we can get 10 gigahertz switching oscillator can be achieved in this nano devices, and also we can use for high frequency devices. In conclusion, we can say the low power consumption for these devices can achieve 0.9 femtojoule. That will be perfect for neuromorphic system. Thank you very much.